are designed to prepare you for the CSDM/CMDB Foundation Data exam by strengthening your understanding of the core data foundation concepts. This practice set helps you learn the concepts, not just memorize answers, making you confident and exam ready for the CSDM/CMDB Foundation Data certification. You can change the video speed, pause the video as needed for effective learning. Pillar Data Foundation, CSDM. 1. Which pillar is responsible for continuously bringing in, updating, and deleting data? A. Govern, B. Insight, C. Ingest, D. Planning. Correct answer, C. Ingest. 2. Select 3 answers. Which of the following activities belong to the ingest pillar? A. Discover physical and cloud sys. B. Merge data from multiple sources. C. Establish lifecycle governance. D. Connect discoverable and non-discoverable sources. Correct answers, A, B, D. 3. Which pillar focuses on defining ownership, policies, and standards? A. Ingest, B. Insight, C. Govern, D. Strategy. Correct answer, C. Govern. 4. Select 3 answers. Which responsibilities are part of the Govern pillar? A. Define lifecycle processes. B. Set data ownership. C. Provide reporting dashboards. D. Enforce standards and controls. Correct answers, A, B, D. 5. Which pillar provides operational reporting and metrics for IT processes? A. Ingest, B. Govern, C. Insight, D. Delivery. Correct answer, C. Insight. 6. Select 3 answers. Which of the following are insight capabilities? A. Incident and change reporting. B. Trend analysis. C. KPI and metrics dashboards. D. CI data reconciliation. Correct answers, A, B, C. 7. Aligning to CSDM primarily supports which pillar? A. Ingest, B. Govern, C. Insight, D. Service delivery. Correct answer, B. Govern. 8. Select 3 answers. Which actions support a trusted data foundation? A. Automating CI discovery. B. Enforcing data standards. C. Providing analytics and metrics. D. Ignoring duplicate records. Correct answers, A, B, C. 9. Which pillar ensures that data is usable for business and IT decisions? A. Ingest, B. Govern, C. Insight, D. Strategy. Correct answer, C. Insight. 10. Select 3 answers. Which tasks help improve data quality? A. Normalizing data from sources. B. Establishing governance rules. C. Regular data audits. D. Disabling reporting. Correct answers, A, B, C. Set 2, Application/Business Application/Application Service 1. Which CI class refers to installed bits and bytes discovered on compute infrastructure? A. Business Application. B. Application Service. C. Application. D. Technology Service. Answer, C. Application. 2. Which of the following is not an operational CI? A. Application. B. Business Application. C. Application Service. D. Database Instance. Answer, B. Business Application. 3. Business applications contain what type of data? A. Installed code and ports. B. Metadata about business functionality. C. Logical mapping of services. D. Network topologies. Answer, B. Metadata about business functionality. 4. Which CI is a logical representation of a deployed app stack? A. Application. B. Application Service. C. Business Application. D. Technology Service. Answer, B. Application Service. 5. Which CI is discoverable? A. Application. B. Business Application. C. Both A and B. D. None. Answer, A. Application. 6. Unique instances per environment, dev, test, prod, belong to which CI? A. Business Application. B. Application Service. C. Application. D. Business Service. Answer, B. Application Service. 7. Portfolio inventory is maintained under which CI? A. Application. B. Application Service. C. Business Application. D. Technical Service. Answer, C. Business Application. 8. Which CI is used for IPC, incident, problem, change? A. Business Application. B. Application. C. Application Service. D. Both B and C. Answer: D. Both B and C. 9. WebSphere, Java, Tomcat installations fall under which CI type? A. Application, B. Business application, C. Application service, D. Business service. Answer: A. Application. 10. Which CI can be hierarchical like microservices? A. Application, B. Business application, C. Application service, D. Technical service. Answer: C. Application service. Set 3. Application service / business service / technology service. 1. A. Business service is published to which audience? A. Only internal users, B. Only external users, C. Internal or external consumers, D. Only developers. Answer: C. Internal or external consumers. 2. Technology management service focuses on which side? A. Consumer, B. Provider, C. Customer, D. Business. Answer: B. Provider. 3. Which CI type underpins technology building blocks? A. Business service, B. Application service, C. Technology service, D. Application. Answer: C. Technology service. 4. Which CI type is one level, not hierarchical? A. Application service, B. Business service, C. Technology service, D. Cloud service. Answer: B and C, both business service and technology service. 5. Which CI type supports microservices hierarchy? A. Business service, B. Application service, C. Technology service, D. None. Answer: B. Application service. 6. Which CI is used for IPC impact analysis? A. Application service, B. Business service, C. Technology service, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 7. Which CI type describes deployed application stack and dependencies? A. Application, B. Application service, C. Business service, D. Technology service. Answer: B. Application service. 8. Which CI type supports approval workflow for change? A. Business service, B. Technology service, C. Application, D. None. Answer: A. Business service. 9. A business service typically underpins what? A. Installed software, B. Business capabilities, C. Infrastructure components, D. Server dependencies. Answer: B. Business capabilities. 10. Which CI type should be consumer or sell-focused? A. Business service, B. Technology service, C. Application service, D. Foundation data. Answer: A. Business service. Set 4. CSDM Domains Data Model Grouping 1. Which phase handles idea creation and strategic alignment? A. Build and integration, B. Service delivery, C. Ideation and strategy, D. Service consumption. Answer: C. Ideation and strategy. 2. Designing and planning a new product belongs to which stage? A. Ideation and strategy, B. Design and planning, C. Service delivery, D. Service consumption. Answer: B. Design and planning. 3. Operational sys exist primarily in which stage? A. Ideation, B. Development, C. Service delivery, D. Planning. Answer: C. Service delivery. 4. Which domain contains non-operational sys related to product development? A. Design and planning, B. Build and integration, C. Ideation, D. Delivery. Answer: B. Build and integration.